Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rush to Discover Boss and it's Raymore Reviews. Today we are on Worthington Avenue checking out a development that's currently happening. This is video number 2. But first of all, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Raymore Reviews channel so you can see more content like this. If that subscribe button is still red, click it, turn it gray. Subscribing is free. And also turn on your post notification bell as well, so that once I do a new upload, you'll be notified. So that's a glimpse of the property we're going to look at today. So I'll get closer for you guys in a bit. Remember to like the video as well, guys. Leave a comment. And definitely share the video so that other persons can see as well. And again, we're working on getting a drone for the channel. So if you want to donate, completely optional. We have PayPal and other options in how you can donate to the channel to show your support. So we are standing on Oval Road outside of Worthington Court. That's a apartment complex built years ago. So it's a built rundown now. But we're outside of Worthington Court on Oval Road. We're in New Kingston basically. And the construction is right beside the Peace Corps. That's the building over here, a volunteer organization, the Peace Corps. So this area is full of apartment complex, gated communities, and the likes. So we're gonna go on to Worthington Avenue now and get closer to the development. I am not sure exactly what the development is, can't get a lot of info on it, and there is no pictures on the outside. But I did hear it's a call center, so I believe it's a BPO company. I believe it's a call center that's they're developing. But let's get a bit closer, guys, and just take a look around the area as well. Again, leave your comments, leave your likes, and share the video. And if anyone has more details on this property, as usual, I know you guys always comment, just leave in the comment section if you have any more details. And as usual, I always ask if you have any links, any contacts that can give me an inside property tour. I would definitely appreciate it to go on the inside of some of these properties. Alright, so Worthington Avenue. So again, the property is right beside the Peace Corps of Jamaica. Alright, so it seems to be 3 floors, possibly with underground parking. So it's 6 Worthington Avenue. That's the location of this development. And as I said, no signs, no billboards, nothing. So if you guys know any information on this property, if you guys know what's been developed, just let me know in the comment section. I know I can depend on some persons to always comment. So we'll appreciate the comments, guys. So we're just outside of the Worthington Friends Church. First I'm seeing a church with this name. Probably it's a single branch. We're gonna go and try and get a side view of the property. So we're now in front of Island Car Rentals. Just wanted you guys to see the length of the property. So this is a side view. So quite a big property. At least 3 floors, so that's a lot of call center space, a lot of BPO space. You know, BPO industry is booming right now, so this would be another good addition. And again, Island Car Rental across the road. And then Aining Road down that side. And we have Pegasus in the background, the tallest building in Jamaica. 17 floors. Built over 30 years ago. I think over 40 years as well. So it's time for a new tallest building, guys. So full time for a new tallest building. We have been advocating for it on this channel, so hope it comes soon. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this far. Remember to leave your comment on this development. Let me know your thoughts, your opinion, your suggestion, your question or concerns. Comment. Like and share the video as well, because that will help YouTube to recommend the video to more persons. And remember to subscribe. Subscribing is free. And turn on that post notification bell so you're alerted once I do a new upload. So Worthington Avenue, New Kingston, new development, possible BPO space. Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you on another awesome video.